Hi there, I'm going to look at finding the surface area of a triangular prism. So I've got this triangular prism here and I'm going to find the total surface area of that. So I'm going to write down the formula for total surface area, which is S for surface area equals P, perimeter of the base shape, times the height, plus 2 times the area of the base. The big B is the area of the base. So I'm going to come over here to the left, and for P, H, and B, I'm going to name each variable. So before I do that, I want to determine here what are my base shapes. And in this, it should be the two shapes that are identical to each other, same shape and size. So I can see that I have two triangles. They're exactly the same. So those two triangles, which I'm highlighting, and I always recommend coloring in what your base shapes are, and they should be across from each other. Those two triangles should be my base shapes. So when I come down and find the perimeter of my base shape, that means I'm finding the perimeter of one of those triangles. So if I look here, the three sides of my triangle are 5, 4, and 3. So I'm just going to add those 3 to find the perimeter. And 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So my perimeter is 12. Then my height is the length that connects the two bases together, so that would be this 11 down here. And then area of the base for a triangle, we'd find that if I look at my formula chart by doing 1/2 the base, and since it's a little b, it's just a line, times the height, and that would be 1/2. The base of this triangle, I'm going to circle in red, is 4, and there's our right angle right there. The height of that triangle is 3, so that'd be 1/2 times 4 times 3, come back to blue, and 1/2 times 4 times 3 is it going to be 6. Alright, so I'll come back up here to the top and substitute those values into my formula. The perimeter was 12. That's going to be multiplied by the height of 11, and then I'm going to add 2 times the area of the base, which was 6. So surface area 12 times 11 is 132, plus 2 times 6 is 12. So if I add those things together, 132 plus 12 is 144. So that would be my total surface area, and my units are centimeters, and it's always square units when you're looking at area measurements. Now, in blue, I'm just going to highlight, if you had only done the lateral area, that would not include the bases, so all you would be doing is this pH part, perimeter of the base shape times the height. So again, that would have just been the 12 times 11, or just the 132. But since I found the total surface area, I'm also adding those two bases, the area of those two bases on. And that's how you find surface area of a triangular prism.